channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. And this is the place to come if you want to learn how to air fry just about everything, whether you're a beginner or whether you're a seasoned air fryer. I like to make recipes here that easy enough for everybody to make. Well, yesterday I went to the farmer's market in our town. They have one every Saturday. It's actually in the parking lot of the high school. And I knew the pickle person would be there. And they always are. And I picked up these, the brand name is, I'll put a picture in for you, Pickalicious. And they have every kind of pickle you can think of. And they ship nationwide. They're actually located in Teaneck, New Jersey. So I knew they were going to be there because I'm in New Jersey. So anyway, I sampled some of the pickles there. I just wanted to do the air fried dill pickle chips. But I figured while I was there, I would taste a few others. So they had full sour, they had half sour spears. So I brought some of those home. They had pickles with horseradish. I mean, they had red fiery pickles. They had so many different names and so many pickles. So if you want to check it out, you can go online. But anyway, I picked up the pickle chips, and they're the dill pickle chips. Now, it's so easy to make these air fried pickle chips in your air fryer. I love them. And so I'm going to make them for you today. They're so quick. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And if you are new and you want to see more of my air fryer recipes, just go down below and hit the subscribe and the little bell. That's all. Then you'll get a notification and you won't miss any of my air fryer recipes. Now, I have the pickle chips, and what I did is I drained them on paper towels. So I put paper towels on the bottom, and I had a couple of paper towels on the top, and I patted them because I wanted to drain them. All right, now I'm going to move these to the side, and I'm going to show you what we need next. So I have here a bowl of just all-purpose flour. Now I put in it just a tiny bit of cayenne pepper, not a lot because I don't like spicy things, but I'll let you decide how much you want to put in. I just put in a couple of pinches. Then what you're going to do is you can beat up a couple of eggs and add a little bit of water to it. So I'm not making too many today, but I kind of mixed up 2 eggs here, and then I added a little water. And then last but not least, you want to use Panko breadcrumbs. They need to be Panko breadcrumbs. And they're just plain breadcrumbs. And the way we're going to do this, super easy. You're going to take your pickle chip and you're going to put it first in the flour, coat both sides. Then you're going to put it in your little egg mixture. Then you're going to put it in your panko breadcrumbs, and then we're going to put it in our air fryer. And you're just going to keep your eye on it. They don't take too long. You don't have to flip them. You just want to keep your eye on them until they get crispy and nice and golden brown, and then you're going to take them out. And every air fryer is different. I happen to be using a Ninja. I do have 3 air fryers. I have this one, I have the Ninja with the 2 baskets, and then I have my Power XL that has the shelves in it. Don't judge me, I love air frying. So anyway, I'm going to put my air fryer on now. Air fry. I'm going to put it on, I think I'm going to, you know what? I think I'm going to put it on 400. I think I want to make it a little bit higher. And we'll see how our first batch comes out. And as soon as that heats up a little bit, I'll put it on, let's see, for the time. I don't think these are going to take any more than, really, I'm guessing, 5 minutes. So I'll put it on 5, and then we'll check. We'll see if it has to go a little more or a little less. All right, so let me put these in a row here. These are so delicious. When we, when we go to restaurants, sometimes I'll order the fried pickles. Oh, they're so good. And I don't like them when they serve them real spicy hot. But if you do, just add more cayenne pepper to your flour. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my pickle chip. I'm going to dip both sides of it in my flour. Just pat it down like that. I'm going to put it into my little egg wash that has a little water in it. And then I'm going to put it into my Panko breadcrumbs. Just make sure the pickle chip is all coated. Now I've seen this done also with pickle spears, but I'm doing it with the pickle chips today. Let me take out my basket, and then we're going to place them in the basket. So I'll do another one, and then I'll do the rest for you off camera. But, sorry, that's my parrot screaming in the background. She does this every time I do a video. She hears me, and she wants to join in, so she starts screaming. All right, in the egg wash, and then into the Panko breadcrumbs. So I hope you're all having a good weekend. This is actually Memorial Day weekend. I don't know if any of you did anything exciting. We really didn't. We've been doing a lot of work outside the house. And when was it? Friday night, we had just a little dinner we had outside on our patio. And today we're just relaxing, really. And I'm catching up on watching some of my YouTube videos. And I'm making these air fried pickles for you. All right, so let me finish doing as many as I can fit in the air fryer off camera. I'm going to put the air fryer in. Oh, yes. And then I will be back to show you what these babies look like. And we'll do a taste testing, and I'll show you what I like to serve them with. So don't go away. Now, hopefully you can hear me over the air fryer, but I like to serve these fried pickle chips with ranch dressing. I like to dip them into ranch dressing. Well, I didn't have any ranch dressing. I thought I did, and I didn't. So what I did is I took some sour cream, and I had the jar of my ranch seasoning, and I added it to the sour cream, mixed it up, and voila, we have ranch dressing. So I'm all set with that. So I can't wait to dip these fried pickle chips into that ranch dressing. Oh yeah. And my hubby and my son in the house waiting for me to give them the call and ring the bell so they can come and taste them too. I think while I'm waiting, I'm gonna have one of these pickle chips. I don't know about you, but I love pickles. I'm just a girl who loves pickles. What can I tell you? Bring a dish over here and my tongs so I can take them out when they're ready. So I'll put my little dish of ranch dressing on there. Got to be all prepared. I think the last time I made these, now that I recall, I think I had them on 400 degrees and they did take about 5 minutes. So that's exactly what I put it on today, and that should do it. We're already down to almost 2 minutes. I'm going to take a little peek in there. Not quite yet. Let me take a peek at this. Oh, they're starting to get brown. Woohoo! I can't wait to test these out. And you know, on my channel, I don't like to be real serious. This is my second channel. My main channel is the Baking Diva. I probably should have told you that in the beginning. So I have much more on there. This one I just started getting going with a while ago. But I try to make recipes that everybody can make. So if you're not already a subscriber on my other channel, the Baking Diva, I'll put the link down below for you. Taking a peek. Oh yeah, they're getting nice and crispy now. It's almost 5 minutes. And like I said, everybody's air fryer is different. And some people they like to make a recipe and they don't even like to talk, and that's fine. They like to do this, and it takes 1 minute. I can't do that. And I feel it's not even, oh, let me look. Oh, they look good. Brown, but I think I prefer them just a little more brown. But as I was starting to say before, a lot of people just like to do their recipes in, I guess, like a TikTok style. I did this, I did this, I did this, I did this, and bingo, and they show it to you. They don't give you the recipe, and they don't take the time to go through it. And I prefer to take a little extra time and go through it and show everybody how to do it, especially for people that have never done it before. But everybody has their own style, and this one's mine. And I think you can have fun when you bake and you cook too. So I always like to have a little fun on my channel when I can. I have been known, in fact, when I first started out, to wear a lot of costumes for different holidays. But I've kind of backed up a little bit from that now. All right, let me check out these babies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They're crispy and they're brown. Okay, so I'm going to take them out and put them on this dish now. I'll hold one up for you. Oh yeah, these are nice and crispy. Look at that. They're nice and brown and crispy. So what are we talking about, like 5 minutes or so? Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna taste one of these before I call the guys up, because they'll eat them all on me. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy and brown. These are the best, and they're so easy to make. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll do another batch of them. But I don't like them to touch, and I'd rather make 2 batches than, oh, this looks so good. I'd rather make 2 batches than try to stuff them in. Okay, so now's our taste testing time. I hope they're not a little too hot. Let me see. Ooh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna dip them in a little of that ranch. Mmm. Let me see. Mmm. Mmm. They're so crunchy. Mmm. Oh my goodness. You never crunch? Delicious. Now, so good. Now, I put very little of the cayenne pepper in there. If you want them a little spicy, it's a matter of taste. Put in what you like. So, I'm going to insert a picture of this in there. So good. I could eat the whole plate, honestly. So before I call the others up to taste them, I want to thank you all for joining me making these air fryer pickles, and I just want you to know I really appreciate all of you. It means a lot to me that you tuned in and watched this, and I love you all. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you come on board. So thank you very much, and I will see you all very soon. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Toodles! Man!